That light, it feels wrong. I have to find out what's happening!
The hour of silence approaches.
It's coming from in there. I knew it.
The door between worlds opens. Let the silence begin.
My voice! It's gone! Oh, no! Well?
A little chef has stumbled into my kitchen.
Stop this! You can't take our voices! He's too strong, but there must be a way.
Insignificant flea. Do you truly think you can defy me?
He's too focused on the portal, that's it.
What's that cat doing?
What?
Impossible, you little...
Now, my voice! It's back! We did it! Happy Halloween, everyone! And a very noisy one, too! Don't be scared, Whisper. It's just for us. It smells so sweet, Mitten. Just like you remember. A little bit of warmth.
Such quaint innocence. On my night. Who's there? Why, only the master of these shadowed lands, little morsel. Lord Verminion.
Leave us alone, Rat Lord. We are not bothering anyone.
Bothering? Oh no! I have an offer for you, little chef.
An offer? Offer?
This Halloween, I'll grant every cat in this city unending milk, warm beds, and no more chasing, no more fear.
No more chasing? All I ask is that you ring this bell.
And all cats will give me their voices, their endless...
Our voices? Never! That's horrible!
Horrible? It's a fair trade for true safety, little fool. Without voices, they'll be perfectly silent, perfectly docile.
Freedom isn't worth silence. We need our voices to sing, to warn, to tell our stories.
Then suffer the consequences, defiant little feline. I'll take their voices whether you ring it or not.
Run, Mitten! Please, we must!
Their beautiful silence. What sweet music to my ear.
My voice! The source of the magic. I won't let him win!
What is this? A disturbance? Take that! No, oh, my power, you meddling fool!
Meow! We did it, Whisper! Help me. Are you all right? I'm terribly lost. And my crown is crooked, my scepter broken. Don't fret, little prince. We'll find your way home, together. Don't worry, Pip. We're almost there. We can do this, Prince Pip.
I am scared.
Oh no, not the Whispering Bridge. They say it remembers all its cracks. A good chef never fears a wobbly path. Stick with me. Just keep going.
Lost, are we? Crossing my bridge, are we? Such folly. Perhaps I can offer an expedited crossing. For a small price, of course.
Oh, it's him!
I spin straw into silver squeaks, a desperate deal for a desperate time. A lifetime of loyalty from your prince, or the very essence of your joyful chef's spirit.
Oh dear. Neither. My chef's spirit is not a thing to be taken, but shared. My warmth and kindness will overcome your cold bargains. You saved me, Whiskers. My kingdom will never forget your courage. Path is clear. Every journey needs a good recipe, Pip. Now, what's next? Oh, wow! It's even more magical than I dreamed! Moonlight, it feels like it is calling to me. This bridge, it's breathtaking. What secrets does it hold? It's like the moon itself is reaching out to me. I feel it. A part of the moonlight is with me now. What was that? A new adventure? Or a new challenge?
A mere kitten dabbling in ancient magic? How utterly amusing and foolish.
Such precious power should not be wasted on a fluffy toy!
Who are you?
Behold my loyal subjects, and prepare to hand over what is mine.
I won't let you. This moonlight is for everyone.
Cute, but futile.
Too many! I need to find somewhere safe. What are these whispers? They sound like secrets. The moonlight's true strength and his weakness. I understand.
No more hiding, little kitten. Your petty magic is no match for my dominion.
You would be surprised, Rat Lord. I have learned a thing or two. The moon guides me, and the whispers empower me. Feel the moon's true light.
Impossible. My minions fading?
You cannot defy me!
Not today.
Not today, Rat Lord.
This is not over, little furball. Not by a long shot.
Phew. That was quite the Halloween fright. The moonlight, it's truly a part of me now, forever. Everyone is safe. That's the best treat of all. Oh, for me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Moonlight. I will protect your light. What a night! The best Halloween adventure ever!